In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access manual journals in Xero. Whether you're an accountant, a business owner, or someone taking a deep dive into your company's finances, understanding how to navigate through Xero is essential. Let's dive right in. To get started, we'll first need to log into Xero. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. Think of this dashboard as your control center, a hub where you can manage all your financial records with ease. It's designed to give you quick access to everything you need for smooth financial management. Now, let's get to the specifics. On your dashboard, direct your attention to the menu at the top and look for the Accounting tab. Go ahead and click on it. This action will trigger a drop-down menu to appear. From the options available in this drop-down menu, you'll want to select Reports. This section is where Xero really shines, as it provides a treasure trove of invaluable financial reports tailored to your needs. Once you're in the Reports section, scroll down a bit until you find the Journal Report. This particular report is a goldmine. It offers a comprehensive view of all the journal entries recorded in your accounting system. When you locate the journal report, give it a click. Doing this will take you to a new page, a space filled with all your journal entry data. On this page, you'll have the opportunity to delve into your manual journals. Look for the option that says, Go to Manual Journals. Click on this, and you'll be transported to a detailed list of all your manual journal entries. This view is incredibly useful for reviewing and managing the intricate details of your financial transactions. Having this list at your fingertips ensures that you're up to speed with every entry that's addressed manually. Now, if you're in need of entering new data, Xero has you covered. You'll notice an option to Add New Journal. This feature is especially convenient for accountants and business owners who regularly need to manage their financial entries. Adding a new manual journal entry keeps your finances current and allows for precise tracking of your monetary transactions. And just like that, by following these steps, you'll be navigating Xero to manage your manual journals like an expert. Before we wrap up, here are a few tips. It's crucial to regularly update your journals to reflect any new transactions and always ensure the accuracy of your entries. This helps keep your financial reporting in optimal shape. Thanks for joining me on this tutorial, and here's to smooth accounting in Xero.